Yes.
As you know, that we were here yesterday in respect of the insurance package that was launched. Over 100,000 Fijians are now have insurance coverage for themselves. This is part and parcel of the greater financial inclusion that government has embarked upon, and has in fact embarked upon for the past couple of years. A lot of these things are coming to fruition now. Today is another milestone where we have partnered with the ANZ in respect of getting more, put simply, electronic transactions in place. Ministry of Education, ladies and gentlemen, is the largest ministry in the Fijian government, both in terms of the size, in terms of the number of people that are employed by the ministry, and we have, at least to put into perspective, over 10,000 teachers are paid by the ministry, and of course there are other ancillary staff, and also by the size of the budget. The ministry directly itself has about $535 million allocated to it in the budget. Of course, it also looks after the grants that are given to the various tertiary institutions, including USP, FNU, etc., that runs over $100 million. And of course, we have the other related budgets to the education sector, which exceeds $1 billion this year. What we have found, of course, unfortunately, that a number of the transactions that the Ministry of Education does engage with on a daily basis actually is payments are made by way of checks. So you cannot have such a large ministry with high levels of volume of transactions on a daily basis. Looking at something like 150 transactions per day. The Ministry of Education actually engages with paying suppliers for various materials, paying RSL providers, giving grants to school, higher education institutions. Of course, you have things like transfer allowance, rural and maritime allowance, travel allowance paid to teachers. All of these expenses in fact come under the ambit of the Ministry of Education. Of course, when you have checks, it means there can be delays, it means that there can be more mistakes made. So in order to bring, so to speak, the Ministry of Education into the 21st century, as far as the transactions are concerned, we have now partnered with ANZ, so we'll have electronic transactions taking place for the payment, what we call transactive banking. I want to also say that this will greatly enhance not just the efficiency of it, but bring about a huge cultural change within the Ministry of Education.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.